today is a Saturday. I literally just woke up and I asked you a couple weeks ago on my Instagram if what kind of content do you guys want to see on my YouTube channel, and one of this is like a day-to-day life as a YouTuber and slash like a student. So I have a cat here. So anyways, like I said, I just woke up and might as well just do this, so it's kind of like I'm productive as well. So on a Saturday, I normally try to push myself and film at least 2 to 3 videos. So I have like, because my schedule on uploading videos on YouTube is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I've been trying to upload and try really hard to upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, like MWF 3 times a week. So my how do you call this, my channel is growing, and so I'm trying to push myself. I know it's exhausting to, you know, film, because I have to think what kind of content you guys want to see, but don't worry, because there's gonna be great content coming. And thank you guys for always supporting me and watching my videos. I truly appreciate one of you guys. That's why I'm doing giveaways. The giveaway, the $100 giveaway, is still ongoing, and I'm close to 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube here and 1,000 followers on Instagram. I'm like 900 something on Instagram already, and I'm like 700 something on 1,200, oh no, not 1,200, 1,700 something on YouTube. So yeah, I'm bubbling. So now I just got my coffee, so I'm gonna try to drink my coffee, because my plan is, that's why I have my planner. So today I'm gonna film 2 to 3 videos, study a little bit because I have class later on again, and I have a Zoom class that is gonna take, I don't know how many hours, but yeah, I have a Zoom class. And what else? So I have to film, and then after filming, clean up, and then I have a class to go in. But I'm just saying good morning to my little baby snake plant here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna film like a normal day on what I do as a small content creator here on YouTube slash student, because I'm basically back in school. So yeah, let me just enjoy my cup of coffee, and then I'll talk to you guys later.
I'm also answering emails from brands that reach out to me, and also commenting back on my YouTube videos. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me and, you know, commenting on my videos. I truly appreciate one of you, and I see it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing as of the moment.
For the video that I'm planning to film is gonna be another Zara haul, and I think, I don't know which one is the video will be at first. So it's gonna be a Zara haul, and because I have a list here that like getting stuff done. Like I got this book, I believe Target. So I'll go through my list, and I'll look at the content that I'm planning to do, and also that I did already, so I put like a check mark. So for this weekend, I'm gonna, like I said, Zara haul, Amazon must-haves, and also because I have it in my planner as well. Let me just finish drinking my coffee, you guys, and I'm answering emails and also commenting back on some comments here on my videos on YouTube. So that's what I do. And then I'm also trying to clear up my space on my MacBook. Once I'm like done with the video, like I try to like delete it. I'm also getting ready. I'm just gonna do like a very natural makeup, like no makeup kind of look, since I want to look presentable in class, and also I'm filming a video anyways. So I think I'm just gonna do like eyebrows, a little concealer and powder, and Yeah, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. Hey guys, so I just got done filming 2 videos, which is great, and I'm on time. So I'm gonna show you what I got from Target / Marshalls. So I got a head wrap at Marshalls, and I also got, my neighbor decided to cut grass today, so I also got this loofah from Marshalls, and they're like $3.99. So yeah, once in a while, I would say every 2 to 4 months, I try to change my loofah, just because I don't want to like overuse them. So yeah, I got 4 of them in different colors, and they're only like $3.99. And also one I got from Target, I got this, I would say a week ago. I got some, I was gonna just get this Pixie Glow Tonic, like a restock on my little, you know, bottle of Pixie toner. But then I saw the bigger size and was like, you know what, I really love the toner from Pixie, so might as well the bigger bottle. It's kind of expensive, I would say almost, it's like 20 something dollars, 29, almost $30. Let me double check because I don't have my receipt, but yeah, they're expensive. Also, I got this Kristen S dry shampoo. I got the little one because I just want to try the dry shampoo, and I heard a lot of good thing about this dry shampoo. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my neighbor is like cutting his grass. So hold on, Pixie toner. Yeah, so the bigger bottle is $29, which is very expensive. Yeah, but it has 8.5 fluid ounces for this one. So yeah, I can't wait to wear, or not wear, can't wait to try that. And also, last but not the least, I seen a lot of ads on Facebook, YouTube, and also Instagram about this Goli, right here, this Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. And I was like, I'm gonna give it a try, because I did try drinking that apple cider vinegar with like water, and you just chug it in the morning. I tried, you guys, it's just not for me. But I did try. Like my husband, I've been seeing my husband, like he'll literally take that, like once he get up in the morning, he literally just like drink apple cider vinegar and also with water, and he mixed like some lemon and some honey on it, and that's what he drinks. I was just like, how do you manage to like drink that? But yeah, I saw this on like on every like ad, so I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot and try this apple cider vinegars. Actually, I'm gonna try them today and see if it's good or not. It smells very strong. Okay, let's try. It says here 1 to 2 gummies up to 3 times daily. Enjoy up to 6 gummies a day. So let's give it a shot. It tastes good. I can't taste the vinegar at all. It's just good. I taste apple more than the vinegar, but it has a slightly vinegary taste, but you can't really tell, but just very like light. So I'm gonna give this a shot for maybe a month or 2, and if there's something, you know, special going on with my body change or like my bloating, because I have bloating problems. I don't know if it's just me. So yes, almost 3 o'clock, you guys. Well, it's just 2:07, and I've been very productive. So I filmed, like I said, 2 videos, and I feel productive on this day. And also tomorrow I'm also gonna try on filming 1 or 2 more videos, and just try to clean the house since it's Sunday. So, and you know, spend time with my husband, because that's like our only bonding time. And also, you know, today, but I have class and he has also work stuff to do. So he has to do trading today, I don't know. But yeah, I also have my water here with me in the side because I just drink my coffee, and I try to just drink 1 cup of coffee a day because I've been drinking so much caffeine lately, and it's, I don't know, I love coffee. I mean, who doesn't love coffee? So anyway guys, I'm gonna try to study a little bit and go overview with my school stuff, and then because I have like a huge binder that I have to like go through, and I have to study a little bit, and then I'm just probably gonna ending up filming, you know, while I'm in class later. So yes, I will talk to you guys later. Also eating right now, I have some spaghetti. My friend Clarice made it for me yesterday, so I'm eating it right now because in 30 minutes I have class, so, and I'm already starving. So I mean, we do have breaks, but I'm gonna eat because I'm starving. So hey guys, so my class is finally done. It's 7:27 already, and I am so tired. So I have to do, yeah, I have to charge my laptop, and I have some homework to do. They already gave us some homework to do, and I think I'm just gonna do it now. I don't want to wait just because my mind is still fresh, so I'm gonna do it after, I mean right now. So I have like, yeah, I have this, at least, how many pages are this? At least maybe like, I would say 10 pages of this homework. So right when my mind is still fresh, I have to do it. So I'm just gonna do this really quick, like my homework, and after that that's literally what I do on a daily as a, you know, small content YouTuber slash student. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my homework really quick, and then I will talk to you later, or update you guys if there's something amazing. So let me just do my homework. Hey guys, so just gonna end the vlog here and just try to relax. I'm going to see my friends Amber and Ashley real quick, and I told them I'm kind of sleepy, but I'm gonna try to just like go out and, you know, use my weekend. And yeah, after that I think I'm not gonna go and stay late just because I have something to do early tomorrow, and I finished my homework as well. So yeah, this day has been very productive, and it's been a long productive day. So this is what sometimes I do on my weekend, and you know, as a small content creator on YouTube. So if you haven't joined my $100 giveaway, not just for the US, you can also win it, like I mentioned a ton of time. If you're from Philippines, or if you're from Australia, Canada, I will still send you $100. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link on the giveaway video, and make sure to just follow the rules so you can win the giveaway. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.